trigonometry math solution. We have given LHS root 1 minus sin theta by divided by 1 root 1 plus sin theta. We have to multiply root 1 minus sin theta, root 1 minus sin theta. Multiply up and down numerator and denominator. Then 1 plus sin theta a plus b, a minus b. A plus b means a square this square. Then root 1 square minus sin square theta and a minus 1 a into a. 1 minus sin theta, root 1 minus sin theta, root 1 minus sin theta. So there is root 1 minus sin theta whole square. Then root square cutting 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Root cos square theta is equal to cos theta. Then we have to write root 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Okay? Cos square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. And now 1 by cos theta, 1 by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. Then 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Cos square theta. There. 1 minus sin square theta, cos square theta. And then 1 by cos sec theta, 1 by cos sec theta, sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Okay. Then we have sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Please subscribe and analysis. Please subscribe, prove that analyze is answer profoundly. Please subscribe me. I have analyzing further. Root 1 minus sin theta, root 1 plus sin theta. Root 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin square theta, square minus b square plus b minus b. Root cos theta, 1 by sin theta, 1 by cos theta, sin theta by cos theta, sec theta, and tan theta. I have analyzed chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, and organic chemistry, aromatic, hydrocarbon, and factorization theory of math, equation, and arithmetic progression, and geometric trigonometry solution, and proven of theory, mathematics theory. Please subscribe me, all of you. Watch this video, subscribe me, please subscribe me. Thank you very much, everybody. Please subscribe me. Thank you very much. All of you progressing my watch this video and subscribe me.